I'm on my way to the GCFCE again, and I think we're playing another round of Make Scott Jealous with the cars you find. This time, I think he's had to buy a couple of cars to get the one he wanted, and I think you guys are going to like it. Got the Fraser out, not for any particular reason other than it was the car that was already out of the garage. And I've actually been using it more in the last year than recently because the tires make it a lot more manageable. And having good tires on a car, not something to underestimate. It's running fine, actually, the old Fraser. Can't believe it some days, but it's still running really well. Saturday night. We're always in for a treat when we go to the GCFCE, but I think you guys, as I was saying, it's going to be pretty. If anybody doesn't like the car that Dan bought, I don't know why you're watching this channel. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Oh, there's one of them. Who already knows what it is? Oh, it's time to play Make Scott Jealous. Oh man. Turn up the bass and break off the knob, you guys. You guys are maniacs, you know.
You've lost control.
Hey?
You've lost control.
You really lost control now.
It's out of control currently.
Our managers have gone insane.
Yeah. Everything must go. You know what that first. Hey?
Oh, what's the deal?
Just an old car's car. Look at this. It was literally sitting up to the floorboards. Look how good this. Look at this. Yeah, check this out.
Get out of here.
Just look how nice the doors open and close for sitting in a field out in the back right there. It's kind of smushy. US car.
I guess it would depend on how bad it's gotten in there. Somebody's cut that out.
This would be a great car if you already had one. Like if you had a flat top already.
Or a four-door sedan that ran and drove.
Well, the trim though. Right?
Mm-hmm.
The trim.
Oh, I know.
That's the hard shit.
Oh, it's
right?
so...
You want to try it? You want to give it a shot?
No, I can't. I can't, you guys. No.
Like how you sell a car. Just look at the doors. Look at these.
Get out of here.
Right? Like,
what's going on? Come on. Same.
that's a good floor.
This is a good... Yeah, this is a shell that you start with. Still, you need a complete car. And then you use the shell from this car.
That's like, even wait till you see this.
So how much is a complete but rotten exact same car?
I don't know, $3,500, $5,000.
You know, like you're still looking at you're looking at a 5-year project.
Oh Jesus, yeah. You know they're all rotten right in here.
Yeah, like mine.
Yeah, they're all looking at the trunk floor.
And it's just full of leaves and dirt.
Yeah, rally wheels.
Get it?
I don't know. Tilt column for like a 65-ish maybe. 4-shift column. 4 Mopar rallies in there.
Yeah, yeah.
Kind of fun, hey?
It's just, it makes you want one so bad because you see just what a fantastic car these are.
That's a magical car. Imagine pulling up to the casino in 1959 in Cuba.
They're just so cool. But you need another one. This is a good shell, but that's, you know.
I'll go push it in the trees. One day one's going to come along and we're going to say, hey, remember that car we scrapped? Right? How good that shell was that got scrapped?
I love these cars. Well, I'm rebuilding the Buick version of this.
Yep.
The same glass. That back window and front window in my Buick would go in this. But I'm already too far in. No, I wanted the Buick. And I'm building the Buick. But a 59, honestly, I mean, at the end of the day,
Look at the quarters on it, though, hey?
they're
so
great.
good.
Yeah. It's just,
You wouldn't
it's
scrap
such
the
a,
car,
no, God, you can't.
Yeah.
But what are you going to do? Like, you got a windshield for it?
No, we got a
Like,
small block and C channel. Right? We'll just see what we can do.
oh, but you do have extra fenders.
Yeah.
Do you have a rad saddle or anything?
No.
No, the whole front clip's gone.
Yeah. Where are you going to find that garbage, right?
Yeah. If only you knew a guy that had a rotten 59 Biscayne four-door sedan that you could donate the front clip and drivetrain from. And then you would make a 59 Impala
Biscayne.
with a 6-cylinder and a stick.
You'd have to delete all the trim off of it then, just to make it easier. Like just delete everything.
Oh yeah, like they didn't make a Biscayne four-door hardtop that they never made. Put all the Biscayne emblems on it and take all the trim off and make it look like a Biscayne.
Pull it off, don't you take the
Like, is
clips
this an
off?
Impala or a Bel Air?
This is an Impala.
Yeah, you can see if you stand at the back, you can see it's an
This is
Impala.
top of the line.
There. Look where the outline was, where the letters all
There's the
fell
letters
off.
there.
Oh yeah, it said Impala.
So the chrome came down solid, then it split into two pieces, and the inside was painted to match the roof, and then it had the emblem in
It
there.
was pretty downtown.
Oh, it's
Like, oh, man, it's like, look, it's got the plugs in here, the rockers.
just dumb how good it is. Look at the corners of the doors. That's just.
Oh, that one's a little bit.
Oh, don't.
Perfect.
It still closes like new. Sadly,
Ooh, I wonder if it was a. Yeah, I know.
like it's pretty chopped up.
Oh, you know what? I bet you it was an aircon car.
What do you think?
No,
Wouldn't that be
hard to
amazing?
say.
Oh, it's got the radio in it still. It wasn't expecting that.
The heater box is still in it, but I'm just wondering.
Harness is in it, but the gauges are gone.
Yeah, those are all little parts, though, right? Someone just had a '59 Biscayne four-door. Ah, well, too bad we don't know. Really.
I've
But
not.
I wonder if this was like an aircon thing or something.
Oh, what would have been there?
But that's why I'm wondering if they cut all this out, if it was something for air conditioning.
Possibly, I don't know. I've never seen one of these with air conditioning. So.
But it was a U.S. car, so it might have, right? I'm guessing that's what it was.
If nothing else, now I know what I have to build for the front of my car. Although the Biscayne that I spliced my Impala onto, it was like that. That's why I bought that thing. But the trunk floor is shot in it.
Wow.
We haven't even looked at the actual purchase. I got so excited about the parts car. Oh man, you got hosed. What a piece of... Who would buy this? Okay.
It's so good.
I just look, it even has a nice dent in the front fender. You have to leave this. Look at that. That's awesome. It's like the long lost brother of the one I have.
Yeah.
The paint is exactly the same.
So this is super cool with this car. Is I didn't think any of the interior was in it at all, and we got the trunk open and all the
Oh yeah,
stuff,
dash,
everything,
yeah.
all here, everything's here. Oh, screws are missing, but who cares?
Yeah.
Oh,
that's nice.
And
Great.
the car was. Look at the factory color of this car. It was look at this.
Outta here.
It was originally coral with a green interior.
Is that what this color used to be? It looks like
It's like a
almost
pink-
like silver.
No, it's like coral.
Oh my.
Right? It's pink.
Oh, this is, you gotta polish this up. This is
And
gonna look
like,
amazing.
Richard, look at Don Wheaton here when like
I know.
Right.
Don Wheaton, eh?
107th of white. Been a couple years since.
That's old sticker. You think that's from a new?
Guaranteed.
Might be, yeah.
Yeah. Or the used car lot, right? But like.
Oh my god. So good.
Yeah, I'll put
like,
everything back in. But
look at the wheel arches. You don't have to make any of that. Leave those dents.
Still,
it still pops up. I know. Oh, it's just get out of here with this.
This is hot garbage. Guys buying hot garbage. This is the worst part of the car. Is this?
No, that's the best part of the car.
No, worst.
So is that. You can't see that.
Oh,
it's got a nice dent in it there.
For measurement's sake, right?
Yeah.
This is actually banana. There is a
Don't
tree.
even touch that. That looks cool. Just leave it.
So, this side of the floor is bad. And there was like trees and shit growing up through here, so I'm not shocked. But somebody originally started cutting the floor of the driver's side to use it in another car. Yeah, see, look, there's no dash vents on that side. Yeah, so that was. Yeah, so there's no dash vents, so that's an aircon car, then I imagine. Yeah. So they probably pulled everything out for all the air conditioning. That makes more sense.
Yeah.
The rad support and everything.
So somebody's put this in it, whatever that is. Was that 80s maybe? But whatever.
Original 6-cylinder.
Easy to find the real thing.
But yeah, so all the trim that was missing is here.
Yeah.
And it's easier to find.
Ka-chonk.
It's easier to find two-door hardtop stuff than it is to find two-door sedan stuff.
So
pretty decent. Eh?
Look at all this.
I get the hood open.
Look
the hood. This is just bare. Don't touch. This is. I put this on for display purpose. This was all in the trunk.
Yeah.
Oh, Andy just sent me a bike. He's like, you should go buy this right now.
Where is it?
CB1100F.
What? How much?
I'll just send it to you. Bumpers, decent. Right. There is some stuff I would like to. Like, I'd pop the hood. Oh, did you? Yeah, I pulled that thing.
Everything there, other than the engine.
Yeah.
Nice. Electric wipers. Those were still an option. You don't want to have vacuum wipers. Look at how base everything is, eh?
It's black under the hood. That was probably factory.
Remember, Paul, you were there when we got my Biscayne running?
Yeah.
Isn't that weird? That was like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah. The block of the main feed to the whole car was missing, and we found it.
Like,
and I was like, he solved that with his phone, right?
Yeah.
Because you just looked up and it's like there should be a huge heavy black wire coming off, and then we look down and it's laying underneath the battery tray, like this big heavy black wire here. Touch it on, whole car works, lights come on.
That was like a.
We're just like, oh, we're geniuses. We're just geniuses.
Yeah.
We figured this out.
Yeah.
I was like, he used his phone to solve the problem. Yeah, I love the Cuba car idea. I think it'll be awesome.
Just engine-wise.
Anything you can do to get this thing back on the road, it doesn't matter. It'll be so fun. God.
Oh, there's the engine for it right there.
Let's have a look at the plant.
This one's pretty tall, though. Fit in the 53 olds, though, so if I measured it out, if it would have fit in there, or it should fit in this one, it needs a different style. The turbo needs to get mounted, like side mount and that kind of stuff. And I imagine there's a lot of fabrication they're going to have to do. But, be that as it may, it's either getting that or a 230.
I was going to say, or you could be driving it next week with a 235 and a 3-speed.
Out of a 63.
Right?
This stuff is awesome.
What?
These cars.
Oh, dude, this is my favorite car since I was 10 years old.
As soon as he sent me a picture, I'm like, you can't leave without that. He's like, I'm not leaving without it. He's like, I am not leaving without this car.
Look at how good it is.
Like,
oh
this
my
wasn't
fuck.
even what he showed up to look at. However, if we would have known this was here to start with, we wouldn't have gone to look at the other one.
Yeah, this car is awesome. There's just something about.
It doesn't matter what you do for a motor in this thing. This car's awesome. So whatever you want to do, it's.
Yep. How often do you find a car that's this old that has every panel on it in good condition since it's left the factory, and nobody's ever put a piece of sandpaper on this car?
No.
It can be easily done. It's just it's not going to drop in, but it'll be doable. I would put it on a hoist and start lowering it down in there, and then take it back out and put in a 235 and a 3-speed.
The thing is, here's the best part of this. Yeah, like if I put it back close to the firewall here, it wouldn't even reach the. It wouldn't even reach this.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, sure.
It's 22 to the front of the engine.
Good weight distribution for handling.
Right. We can put it on air then.
There you go. Wash it off, polish it, and light salsa interior. Huh?
It's pink, yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, always light, like No. Always like salsa playing too, like never heavy salsa. Yeah, but always at 110 beats per minute. Wasn't it?
Is the dash intact? So they just took the seats.
And they cut the floor.
And they cut the floor. Right. But whatever. So, but all that's there.
Everything's there. Pedals are there. This is the greatest car, y'all.
Like, okay, nice thing about this though, have a good look at this and where you're at, and then go have a look at the Chrysler and be like, oh yeah, I can be driving this next week.
The 78 Newport? I know.
And no, this, well, the other Chrysler.
Well,
Sorry, I'm mixing up all the... Don't start. Like, he gets a 77 Newport and suddenly he's like, I don't like that 1930s stuff. I don't know. Just old junk. And he says as he picks up random bits of trim off the ground,
Yeah, that I was
throws it in the trunk. Are we doing a mass sheet metal order from Chevs R Us or what?
No, I gotta get my Newport done before I order any parts for this. I told myself I'll pull this. The brakes on the passenger side are both seized, so I gotta get them unstuck. Once those are unstuck, I will put the car right here. I'm gonna hot seat the whole. Oh, my dad's calling me. Hold on, he's videoing me. You would have bought this. If you would have looked at this, you would have bought this. Yeah.
I'm not even going to say anything.
You know what's crazy? It was sitting up to here. We started looking at it. We're like, look at the wheel lips on this car. And that's when we were like, okay, this car is original.
This is always gone. Like it's dumb.
And what's crazy is
it's like some crazy desert car, but you found it in a peat bog.
Which is wild. 10 minutes from home. 10 minutes from home.
Yeah. No, it's literally just up the road. Yeah. Weird.
I couldn't let this car stay. No.
Look how straight that door is.
The whole car is amazing. Even the dents that are in it are cool.
None of this has been farmered. Not like Rob was saying, holding it on.
No, it's untouched.
Look at how straight that door is with the signs and the water on it.
It's a regular contributor.
Same old shit.